Remove red cross mark from folders and icons in Windows 11 and 10. If you're seeing a red X or cross mark on your folders and files in Windows 11 or 10, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and let's get started. Sometimes this issue is just a visual glitch. The first thing to try is refreshing your desktop. Simply right click on anywhere on your desktop and select refresh. If the red X disappears, you're good to go. If not, don't worry, let's move on to the next fix. Next, let's restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager and simply open or scroll down to Windows Explorer. Once you find Windows Explorer, simply right click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your system's UI and might remove the red X from your folders. If your storage is running low, Windows might show red X marks on files. To clean up space, just press Windows plus R and simply type clean mgr and hit enter. Select your drive, usually C. Now it will show you all the temporary files and or more of the files. Simply choose or to check the boxes for temporary files and recycle bin and click OK and click on delete files. Just do that. Now if nothing has worked so far, let's try running the Windows troubleshooter. Just open settings. You can do that by simply pressing Windows plus I and simply go to system and simply tap on other troubleshoot. Next, you need to simply tap on other troubleshooters and simply scroll down and run the file and folder troubleshooter or OneDrive troubleshooter or program compatibility troubleshooter. Just simply tap on the run right beside it, and that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped remove the red X from your folders and files.